Hello, elites. Welcome to Skillsing Summit 3.0. I'm really excited to have you all here. Oh my god, it's August already. We had the first edition for this year in February. We had the second edition in May, and we're having the third edition right now in August. I'm really excited, guys. Wow. All right, so for everybody joining us for the first time, my name is Agbo Valentina Chokma, and I'm the team lead for Skillsing Summit. All right, and I'm really excited to have you on this platform. Welcome. All right, so I am a business relationship manager with MoneyPoint. I'm a tech enthusiast. I'm the founder of Core Tech Branding, and I'm a growth mindset activist. You're gonna go ahead and read a little bit about me in this description right here, and do well to connect with me on all social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and of course right here on YouTube. Right, you can just search for Agbo Valentina Chokma or Valentina Chokma or Agbo Valentina. My name is going to come up and you're going to see this picture right there. You can connect with me. All right, now let's talk about Skillsing Summit. Skillsing Summit is a community of young professionals, right, and entrepreneurs. It's usually it's a community where we teach people, where we teach soft skills, tech skills, and in-demand skills, right? But it's going to be more of tech skills, right? The when we started, we decided to have a solid foundation. That's how we decided to have the skills such as navigating successful career, through soft skills and LinkedIn optimization. So that we can be able to build a profile on LinkedIn and then have essential soft skills that we use to work in the professional work environment. All right, and then we also did a little bit of graphics design and video editing because this is the 21st century. We need these skills. All right, so Skillsing Summit was initially under CTAP. At some point it was under Skillsing Global, but right now Skillsing Summit is under Core Tech Branding. Core Tech Branding is our sponsor. It's Core Tech Branding that's making sure all of this is coming to us, and we're really excited and we're grateful to everybody at Core Tech Branding. All right, so for Skillsing Summit 3.0, we're going to be doing all of this amazing stuff. We're going to be introducing you to how you can explore LLMs. We're going to do a little bit of a personal branding. We're going to talk about the professional you, creating professional profiles, and of course AI essentials. All right, send these links and flyers to your friends, to your loved ones, and let us connect. All right, do well to join the WhatsApp group chat, register with your mail so we can send you mail if we have other teachings and other opportunities coming up. All right, and what I want you to do right now is also click on the subscribe button, like this video, share it, subscribe, turn on the notification so that once the videos drop you're going to see it. Do well to connect with us on Facebook and Instagram for that's where you're going to get Skillsing Summit, right? That's our page. That's the name of our page on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to reach out to us for partnership, do well to send us a mail at skillsingsummit@gmail.com. all right, so we have a lot of videos packed for you. If you can just go down, you can see that the videos are already available, right? The videos are available for you to enjoy yourself. So get ready, share the links, put it on your status. Whenever you learn a thing or two, post it on your social media handles and tag us. We will respond ASAP. Okay, so enjoy Skillsing Summit 3.0, guys. Love you, and do not forget that you are premium.